Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second numerical of stability of beams and frames. Now the question is written as identify the type of instability. Now a structure is shown here, that is a frame. Now we need to identify the type of instability. Now due to presence of two roller support, there will be only two reactions which will be acting in vertical direction. So here the reaction will be equals to 2, which is less than 3. Now when reaction is less than 3, then it is a case of static external instability. So this frame is a case of static external instability. That is all about this numerical. We had discussed the type of instability here. It is a statically external unstable structure. Thank you very much, students.